Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy F62 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can hide notification details on lock screen in your phone Samsung Galaxy F62. Sometimes if you receive any message or any other notification, that the details will be shown on the lock screen itself. For example, if somebody sends you hi, how are you through WhatsApp, then that can be visible to everyone when your phone is in locked position or locked position too. Okay, so if you want to hide those details, if you feel those details have to be personal for you, then you can hide it. And what you have to do is just go to the settings of a phone and go to lock screen, and here click on notifications and just click over notifications. And by default it has been selected as details, so details notifications will be showing on lock screen. Okay, see here, this is preview. Hello, this message will be appeared. If some personal messages will be received, then everyone can see it when they have your phone, even without locking into your phone, they can see because it is displayed over the lock screen. Okay, so if you want to disable it, just you go to choose icons only, so that icons will be showing. For example, if you received a message, the message icon will blink up, and then you can understand that message is received, but the content will not be showing on the lock screen. Okay, so in this way you can easily hide notification details on lock screen in your phone Samsung Galaxy F62. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.